76, 176, the length of the common tangent. Okay, the length of the common tangent of the compound curve is 321 meters. The degree of the first curve is 25 degrees, 2.5 meters. Okay. Okay, so, okay, so 25 degrees and I1 is 36 degrees and I2 is 62 degrees. Find the degree of the second curve. Okay, so, ingat po same illustration test. Okay, dali na lang po. No? 176. Okay, yung una po ba ito, kuha sa lahat class ang R1. Okay, so, gawin ko naman the 20 divided by, and degree niya plus 25 degrees, di ba kanina 25, 2.5 plus. Ato lang i-try. So, we have 2.5 dito. Okay. 2.5 mo. R1 divided by 360 is nilay R1 yung delikas. That is 25. Ilan? Ilan value? Ilan? Ilan? 45.82. Okay, so I think my point is here. See lang. This is 45.84. Okay, meter. Okay, and then paano na kung sa T1? Okay, again, ano dito? Okay, T1 that is solved. May tangent, also tangent of second chord flex that is 36 degrees, no? Etc. 36 divided by 2 is equal to T1 over R1. So this is 45.84. Ilan T1 mo? Ilan eh? Ilan? 14.89. Okay, 89 meter. Okay, so kung ano to dito, again, tanggalan dito guys. Dito is equal to common tangent length is equal to 321 minus T1. So, pili value yan eh. 6.11 meter. Okay, gamitan itong tangent. Alawagyan ko dito. So, the tangent of, okay, katunga sa 62 over 2 is equal to T2, that's 306.11 divided by Acto. Pili Acto lang. Ilan eh? 509.45. Okay, 45 meter. Nakuha na ito class, dito na ito formula yan eh. So, we have 20 meter na arc length. Degree is equal to, this is 2 pi R, that's 509.45 divided by 360 degrees. Pilay degree. This is 2.25. Okay, so the answer is 2.25. Okay, letter C. Letter C is the answer. Second degree. Okay.